How to download Facebook videos without any app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can download Facebook videos without any applications. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, let me just go ahead and open the Facebook app. For example, once you open the Facebook app, I'm going to go ahead and simply select a video which you might want to download. Once you select the video, what you can do is you can simply tap on the three dot icon next to that particular video which you want to download. So go ahead and tap on the three dot icon. As soon as you do that, you'll find this option which says copy link. All we are going to do is tap on this option which says copy link. Once you've copied the link of that particular video, in order to download it, we're going to simply open the Google Chrome app. Now remember that you don't need any third-party applications. You can simply open your browser, and in the search box you want to simply go to this URL which is called fdown.net. Now I will also make sure to leave this link down in the description box, so go ahead and simply type in fdown.net. As soon as you type in fdown.net, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. All you have to do is right here in the search box, you have to paste that particular URL or the link which you just copied. Once we have pasted the link, you have to tap on this download button which is on the right hand side of the screen. So go ahead and tap on the download button. As soon as you tap on the download button, it is going to load you some results. Right over here you can see it says download video in normal quality or download video in HD quality. You can simply select any one of your own wish. Once you've done that, the download process is going to get started, and as you can see, if I swipe down from the quick panel settings, you'll be able to see that the download is currently taking place. So we will wait until the download is complete, and after the download is completed, let me go ahead and also show you on my gallery. So as you can see, the download has been successfully completed. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to exit out of it. I will open the gallery app, and as you can see, the video which you actually just downloaded from Facebook, we also have audio in it if we tap the audio button. This is the way on how you could very easily download Facebook videos without any app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.